Itadakimasu.
So what is that? What is that?
I'm not sure exactly what it means. It means like I thankfully take this nutrition. It's like giving thanks to the universe or the deities.
So it's a Japanese grace.
Yeah. So Mark Seibold is on his way here, and I need to clear off the wall so that we can see what it will look like with his print on it. It's gonna go on that wall, and he's about 15 minutes away. I'm super excited. Let's get this chair out of the way. That should be good enough.
Sorry it took me so long. Look,
No worries.
it's in this box, or I'll carry it in.
Okay.
It's big enough you could put some.
That is perfect.
I think it's one of the nicest ones of all the ones they made.
Of course. Oh my god.
You can't track the ground. It's this light here. I didn't know this light coming in from the city. There's a beam. And you can see the Trifid Nebula is here, and this is the Swan or the Omega check, and this is the Eagle up here. And that's the row of Fukai region around Antares, that little orangey mist around the Antares star. And it looks like a horse here, kind of sideways with the legs pointed out. Let's see if I can.
There you go. How do you say your last name again?
Seibold.
Mark Seibold, 2020.
Once it lays flat again.
No worries.
Well,
You got time for a meal?
yeah, if we go soon. Marukin Ramen.
That sounds like it. Cheers, man.
To success, and I can't think of what else.
Yeah, what's the article going to be about?
Well, it would be about how I do the pastel sketches. Cheers.
Cheers. We are the zeitgeist. Look at this ramen. Oh my god. So this is the red spicy chicken ramen. Let's check it out. Yeah, it makes it so you can see what's hot.
Oh, it's like kind of like an infrared.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah, is that what it is? Wow. I'm gonna take my first bite of really great ramen that I've ever had. I feel like I want a fork or chopsticks too.
Yeah, chopsticks right here.
For the record. Wow. Ichiban, #1.
Yeah. Ichiban, for sure.
Yeah, Ichiban, I should say it right. I remember the Japanese exchange students we had. Domo arigato. Do watashimashite. Thank you very much. You are welcome.
Oh my god, that's so delicious.
Yeah, it's great.
So take a bite. So good. So what's this place called? Marukin Ramen.
Yeah, Marukin Ramen.
Seaweed. Look at these noodles.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I've never eaten anything like it. I have to say it's excellent. I really have to thank you because I haven't eaten anything like this since, we had Japanese exchange students.
What kind did you get?
The pork, the spicy red pork for the sale, but I do have amazing. You've got all these different tools to choose from.
This broth has such an earthy flavor. It's so full flavored and spicy and salty.
It is, it's good.
There's something weird to it too. It's like an extra meaty. I don't want to say gamey, but kind of gamey.
Well, I'm thinking the noodles, I think, are wheat. Are they rice?
I think they're wheat noodles.
Yeah, they've got a really hefty flavor to them. They're good.
Unreal. Oh my god, it's so spicy.
So I watched her perform. Record that. I just recorded Billie Eilish. I don't know if she got more experience than anybody. I won't be able to finish it all in time. The Grande, yeah. I thought she was doing hip-hop backing vocals, but they were all half-dressed or half-naked. And I thought, wow, I mean, it's pretty dangerous. It almost looks like wardrobe malfunction.
I can't believe how spicy this is.
Really?
It's like it keeps getting spicier.
It's good. It's not so bad. I've had Indian and Thai spice stuff. It's almost a little too hot.
Put that back. I want to get a shot of you doing all
I'll do
this.
it. Yeah, I'll do it. I'm just gonna. This is the basic Sony NEX5R. The mirrorless cameras they're so tiny and easy to handle, yet as powerful as the old DSLRs. So the stock lens is a zoom, but I don't use this because they're not high quality. The stock lenses are put aside, and what serious astrophotographers do is that we use a lens from our college days up to 30 or 40 years ago, which is an old SLR lens. This one's a 55 millimeter. See the big glass area inside? Is it moving now? There we go. So when I aperture down to do the Milky Way shot, I'm turning it down to f8. I'm sorry, f2.8. About there. If you shoot it wide open at 1.2, you'll get flaring or distortions on the edge of the photo. The stars will turn a little flares. So it's called an aberration rate. About f2.8. That's about what I shoot at when I take the Milky Way shots. So here it is coming out of the printer. It's going to be kind of bright. If you want me to make it dimmer, I will.
That's all right.
All right. That's how the Milky Way shots were taken, just like that. It's an Olympus.
Well, thanks for hanging out, guys. It's been delicious. See you guys later.